Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Educational Revolution. Today I am here to explain about Heisenberg uncertainty principle. In 1927, Heisenberg propounded a theory. This principle is called principle of uncertainty. A theory proposed by or propounded by Heisenberg is called principle of uncertainty. Now, according to classical mechanics, a moving particle has a definite momentum and position. It is possible to determine the velocity and position of a particle at any time. According to classical mechanics state that the velocity or momentum and position of a moving electron can be determined at any time simultaneously. It is possible. But on the other hand, Heisenberg uncertainty principle or Heisenberg said exactly the opposite. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, it is not possible to determine the position and velocity of a moving microscopic particle like an electron at the same time. This is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So, we cannot determine position and velocity of a moving particle simultaneously. It is not possible. Uncertainty means being uncertain. It is not possible to determine both velocity and position at any time. Now the equation del x multiply del p or product of del x and del p greater than or equal to s divided by 4 pi, where delta x is equal to uncertainty in position. Similarly, delta p uncertainty in velocity, and h is Planck constant. Hence, the minimum product of delta x and delta p will be equal to a constant. So, therefore, it is not possible to determine velocity and position at any time or simultaneously. To understand the uncertainty principle clearly, it is necessary to determine the velocity and position of an moving electron in an orbit. Now, point number first, to see the position of this electron, there should be a special microscope in which the electron can be seen. To observe or to see the position of electron, we have to use special types of or special kind of microscope. Any electron will be visible when it reflects light from its surface, because the electron is very small. To see it X-ray on the same scale as its side must be used. According to second point, this point, any object, not only electron, any objects, we can see any object after reflection of light from the surface. Similarly, the electron will be visible, or we can see electron after reflection or when it reflects light from its surface, because the electron is extremely small. So we have to use high power of X-ray, or we have used to X-ray accordingly to the size of electron. Now, next point, when the photon of such rays, which has a lot of energy, is reflected on the electron, then the velocity of the electron changes due to its velocity of the electron changes due to its collision. To know the position of To know the position of a moving electron, we have to use special type of X-ray, special type of microscope and high energy X-ray. And when we use high energy X-ray, the velocity of electron gets disturbed. So it is not possible to know the exact position of a moving electron as well as velocity simultaneously. Both position and velocity cannot be determined simultaneously because electron is very small particle, and to know the position of electron we have to use high energy X-ray, and this X-ray disturbs the velocity of a moving electron. So Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that position and velocity or momentum of a moving electron or moving particle cannot be determined simultaneously. So that's all for today. We will meet next video. Thank you.